we're going to do another one. This one's a little different because we now have function notation. Now before, if I asked you f of x, what does that mean? Hopefully, I would get someone to say that's just another way of saying y. So we have f of x equals, it's the same thing as saying y equals. So now, in our case, we kind of use a capital F for the third dimension. If I have x comma y, f of x, y. So it's saying it's a function of both x and y. This is just another way of saying z. So f of x, y equals is the same thing as saying z equals. So that's the first thing I'm going to do in my problem. I'm going to put z equal to x plus 2y minus 2. Now I can graph the plane. So to find the x-intercept, remember I plug in 0 for z, 0 for y. I'm left with this. Add 2 to both sides, x equals 2. So I'll plot 2 on my x-axis. To find my y-intercept, plug in 0 for the other 2. So I plug in 0 for z, 0 for x. I'm left with 2y minus 2. So add 2 to both sides, divide. I get y is 1. Go up there and plot 1 on the y-axis. And then for z, scroll down here so you can see it. I'm going to plug in 0 for the other 2. So back up here, my equation, if I can scroll up there. Z equals 0 plus 0 minus 2. So z is just negative 2. So I go up and plot negative 2. And connect my 3 points with the triangle. That's my plane. Let's do one more quick one. So to find my x-intercept, I will plug in 0 for y and z. I have 3x equals 12, so x equals 4. So I plot 4 on my x-axis. Find my y-intercept, plug in 0 for the other 2, so x and z. I'm left with 6y equals 12, or y equals 2. Now to find my z-intercept, plug in 0 for x and y. So I have 4z equals 12, z equals 3. So I go 1, 2, 3. And plot them. And sometimes, yeah, your triangles look really skinny and weird, but that's okay. That's simple. And I do need to see at least a little bit of work. At least this much that I'm showing, I want to see on your papers. Got it? Any less, unacceptable. Okay, right now I'm going to pause because I want you to work the U-try on your notes. Okay, so hopefully who's ever covering my classes will pause, and once kids look like they're done, go ahead and play the next clip.